What did?
Tip over.
You want to fix the bridge?
Yeah. You fix the bridge.
Okay, well here, you need this piece too. Put the bridge on first. There you go. Good job.
Oh no! It's broken. It's broken.
Again?
Yeah.
How? Did you break it? Here comes Thomas's. Whoa!
It crashed. No share.
Yeah, you have to share.
Take that one. Take that one.
Okay, thank you. You always give me the same one. Do you like this one the least?
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
Mommy, wait. Go left. Go left. Go left.
Go left?
Oh, left.
Oh, the train track broke.
Other one. Your turn. Put that one. Put that one.
What?
Put that.
Okay, what are you going to use? Every piece but this one?
Put that.
Can Daddy use any others?
That one.
And what else?
No, sure, that. That.
Just this one?
No.
Okay. Which one are you going to use?
Thomas.
Okay. Why don't you go use Thomas?
Yeah. Use that one.
Yeah. That's not very good sharing, is it? You're not sharing, are you?